training on programming the 465 controller. You should only do this after you are sure the heating cable has been tested and is correctly connected and passes. So we're going to select English, we're going to select Imperial Units, and it's going to check to see if a heating cable is connected and that my two sensors are connected. So my number 1 is ambient and my number 2 is pipe. You have to follow these out, make sure that they are in fact where intended. And if you look inside here, this is number 1 and this is number 2, and it's marked underneath there. I don't know if you can see that without the light. 1 and 2. Okay, so it found the heating cable, the sensors. So we're going to continue. We're going to say United States. We're going to say today's date. I'll be all right. It's 15/2. 26. Next 12-hour calendar. It is 1 p.m. Actually 1:55. We're going to use 208 volts. We have an 8XL2 CT. Be sure if you have the 120 volt or the 208 volt. We selected 208 volts, so the 120 volt ones are grayed out. So if you look on the heating cable, you want to look for those numbers. I'm going to select 8XL2. Our number 1 was ambient. So for fire protection, the NFPA says you should turn on and off based on ambient, our number 1 sensor, and then you're supposed to line sense an alarm. So if you have a low temperature alarm on your second one on the pipe, that should call into fire protection. So we're going to just do ambient on and off. The set point is 40. We could change it if we wanted. Pipe diameter, pick the smallest pipe in the group. Low temperature alarm. So this is our number 2, is going to have a 35-degree low temperature alarm. And the high temperature alarm we're going to leave where it is so we can go. Do you want to start a program? Yes, we do. It's going. It's heating the cable. We're going to stop. And now it gets us to our main screen. We are, in fact, now ready to go. You'll notice that lock right there. If we go to, let it get through its startup, go to status, key lock feature on. If you look at the guide, you can see how to turn that off. There shouldn't be a reason to do that, but you can go in and you can look at system status, see how many amps you're drawing, which is none because our temperature is above the set point. So we go back to our main here. It's set at 40. We're presently reading 52 and 53. It's all set up and ready to go. Your alarms should call in to the fire supervisory panel, not the one that calls the fire department, but the one that says there's something wrong. And that connection would go right here. You have common, normally open, normally closed. That's how easy it is to program the 465.